In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok randomly logged you out. Now this is a fairly common problem that happens to a lot of people. Now if it also happens to you, what you can do is you can simply open out your TikTok app again and try to log into your account. By doing that, you'll be able to again log into your account without having any issues. Now once you're logged in, what you can do is you can try to change your password. TikTok has wrote a separate article about it, and it says that if you're facing this problem over and over again, TikTok suggests you that you change your password and create a strong password that cannot be easily hacked. But as I said earlier, most of the times this happens because it is only a simple glitch that happened on the system of TikTok, and you can easily log in without having any issues. So that was a quick video on how to fix randomly logged out of TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll be back with more.